18 days ago, on the eve of my birthday, I was rushed to QE because I had trouble breathing. And I was, stage 4 positive for COVID, where I had to be on oxygen for 6 days. But praise God, once I got started on treatment, I progressively got better each day with no further complications. I also got discharged by day 13, which is 2 days earlier than anticipated. The first thing is that God gave me peace throughout my time in the hospital. I've never been hospitalized before, all my 31 years of life. So for something so serious, I really had no idea what to expect. And it was a really busy time in the hospital, so I wasn't always told what was going on. I have a lot of trouble sleeping due to being awoken at different times of the day. It's like being jet lagged, 14 hours on a plane, that kind of experience. And I also experienced some anxiety, and my mind was on hyperdrive. But God's peace came through a lot of worship and singing. And on day 18 now, I know that worship is like a theme in this story. Actually, God more than healed me from this virus. He did a bit more actually. I've been carrying some deep personal emotional hurt for close to like 6 years now. And because of all this, it caused great tension with people that are closest to me, especially at home with my husband in various seasons. And I think I experienced something like high functioning depression as a result of all this baggage and burdens and everything that came with it. And over I've been working with God on it, and the cycle just repeats itself. So I need to say everything is okay with my husband. nothing about that. But just some journeys are my own, and only God can deal with. And I just kept falling back into the pit, even though I thought I had released and surrendered everything. Anyway, in the hospital bed out of nowhere, or day 2 or day 3, I think, sweating in the afternoon heat, I felt God nudged me about this. He said, "What do you want me to do?" So I said, "I want to be free." And immediately I felt this tangible, physical, overwhelming relief wash over me, and something inside my chest, I guess the best word is to use is breaking. I felt something breaking. And he spent the next few minutes speaking his love over me. And I think just in case I doubted my experience, he did it again while I was singing and worshipping sometime in the other days, and on day 12, on the eve of my discharge date. As if to say, it's the last day already, so I'm telling you again. And I choose to believe that God has shifted something inside me, and I feel this deep peace and joy I haven't had in a very long time. Finally, I just want to say, I am your answered prayer. God has had so much to heal in me, and it took every single one of your prayers to do this work. And you prayed for me to be healed, but God did so much more. So you get to say, when I went to CP8, I prayed for this woman and God did this amazing thing in her life. So thank you guys.